Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had 2 directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis. Looking at the market rundown heading into Monday, February 13th. So the S&P 500, new all-time high, second day in a row, breakout mode above the upper Bollinger Band on the daily. And we have that all-time high at 23.1923. Next resistance after that, we'll be looking up at 23.50 psychological. Bulls are in full control, and we're still watching that middle Bollinger Band into next week, and as long as it holds, the Bulls remain in full control. So that level is 22.85 and ascending. Higher lows intact, and the weekly chart, really nice continuation, holding that exponential moving average support after some sideways trading to end 2016 and to start 2017. 3 weeks now in a row with the Bulls in full control, closes at the high of the week. That definitely stands out, and momentum to the upside. IWM now catching up, so it was a bit of a laggard, the weakest of the 3, and it has now broken its lower high pattern by breaking a couple resistance levels. 137.55 was resistance, and we got up to 138.37 on Friday, closing above the upper Bollinger Band. It too is in breakout mode, and the high was 138.25, so we did get a new all-time high finally after being unable to do so for about 5-6 weeks, while S&P 500 and QQQ kept getting new all-time highs. So IWM catching up now, weekly time frame, normal healthy consolidation. It just was a bit prolonged and holding exponential support back to the upside now, and blue sky breakout. QQQ, new all-time high, 4th day in a row. These names are extremely strong. All 3 markets in blue sky breakout on Friday, QQQ being driven by the technology sector strength, higher lows and higher highs for the 2nd day in a row, and 127.56 is that new resistance level, and it is very clearly still the strongest of the 3. Close above the upper Bollinger Band on the weekly of 127.02, close at the high of the week, and look how many times in the past 2 months we've closed at the high of the week on QQQ. So the ranking still stays the same, QQQ the strongest, S&P 500 is 2nd, and IWM is 3rd, but all of them, blue sky breakout on Friday. Trend favors the bulls, as does momentum, and that is certainly helping many individual names in this market see a lot of strength as well. So until middle Bollinger Band supports are lost on the S&P 500, they are still very strong. And that's, I'm getting repetitive in these videos because not much is changing besides higher highs. So we'll keep checking in and we'll keep looking out for signs of weakness, but as of right now, there aren't any. I appreciate you watching. Hope you have a great rest of your weekend. See you Monday.